Hey, this
Hi.
is Harrison. Say hello to everybody.
Hey guys.
Right, so Harrison's coming to see me. We're going to do a template on him. If you move slightly over that way, Lean, let's introduce the beast.
The beast, the big bad
There's
beast.
the beast. Alright, so Harrison's come to see me. Today we're going to do a template and attach a sample to him. You're excited, aren't you?
I'm excited.
And
a little bit nervous, but...
Tell me a little bit about what you said about your hats, wearing all the hats. Keep
Well,
your hat on as well.
This is the thing, like, obviously I've started losing my hair a lot and it's getting me down, so I wear a hat literally every single day. But I can't win because I wear a hat. I'm going bald because I'm wearing a hat, but I'm wearing a hat because I'm going bald, so I'm in a losing situation.
Now we're winning one though.
Now we're winning one, I'm on to one now.
Yeah, okay, so the next time you see us, I'll be doing a template. Well done, Harrison. Right, okay, I'm back again. Harrison just, he WhatsApped me this picture. If you turn it around to the camera, this is what Harrison's looking for, and this is a really easy design for me. Sorry to say that, buddy.
Sorry.
Right, okay. And it's one of those designs which is easy to have as a hair system as well, because it's very easy to manage. That is a replication we're going for. It's just gone off, that's alright. Put it back, don't worry. So have a good look, guys. Right, so I'm going to go ahead with a template now, but it's kind of nice looking that. And see how close the hair man can get this then, alright?
Yes.
Right, well done, buddy. Right, we're back again. This is a time where big reveal.
Magic happens.
Magic hat off now.
Oh my god.
Right, so there we go. So
Oh my God.
personally, I don't think that's too bad, but Harrison's very conscious. He said it,
Compared to what I used to have growing up, I had thick curls. And do you know what as well? My hair was curly and like it's lost its...
yes, that does happen somewhere. There's a great question. That when people are losing hair, when it goes through what they call the phallus stage, which is a cycle of 5 years, generally if there's a curl, it comes back less in that cycle when you're in male pattern baldness. So
Don't lie, and I'm in there now.
sorry. Yeah.
So I got 5. How long?
That one, right? Okay, another right. Do you know what? I'm going to get rid of this. Right. Another good question. Right. So that cycle there, in my opinion, I'm not a genius on exactly when it go, but that would take a long time before that goes. But it get thinner every cycle.
Yeah.
So good time to do it now. Yeah.
Yeah.
Like I say, you're a young guy. And non-surgical procedure is something you can try, and if you like a negative, you absolutely hated it,
yeah,
you could just go back to the way you are. Yeah?
Could I?
Well, hopefully not.
No, I know, but
let's hope not.
like
right.
if I shave it off, will it grow back?
Yes.
I
yeah.
will.
Again, that's another great question, right? Because it's a light foundation. It's not like I'll give you an example, like that hat. If you've got a tight hat on, that's going to cause much more damage than a hair system because it's a light foundation.
Oh my God.
A crude example would be like putting a lady's stocking on your head. We do that at parties sometimes, right?
Yeah.
Just imagine one with hair injected into it. Yeah? Another good question. That was fab. Well done. Keep it up.
I'm full of questions.
You're going for it. Right. If you put your head back slightly. That's it. Brilliant. And then your head forward. Put your right hand up a couple of fingers here. And tell me you look ridiculous.
I look ridiculous.
Right, so again, you got, like I said, a small head. So
I got such a small head.
yeah, a shaved head looks good would look okay on you. I know you don't want it, but I'm only here to tell the truth, right? It would look okay on you.
I know. I just don't want to lose my hair. Like.
Yeah. I'm not saying to do it, but it would look okay. You bring your left hand up and hold here. That's it. So this is to get the contour of the scalp. Everyone's scalp's different. Like I said, you've got a small head, so the foundation will be made. So as long as it's done correctly, it does sit like a second skin.
Does it?
Yeah, truthfully. And you can't feel it at all. Right, if you bring your right hand up and hold... No, your right hand. I'm glad I got that.
Sorry. I don't know my left and right.
So do I. Right, so there we go. And you come back and hold this. Right, okay, that's good. Right, so I'm going to spin you towards me now.
Oh, sorry.
That's alright, let the camera stay like this. There you go. I'll bring you back in a minute. Right, you lift your eyebrows up, not that you've got any frowns at all. So I can bring your hair down, line down really quite good. Yeah, I'll show you in a minute, see what you think. I can do that. I've got to do this away from the camera, otherwise I'll stand in front of it, but I will spin Harrison around. I might spin you around a few times, see if I can make you giddy. Get travel sick?
No, I used to when I was young.
You could
I'd
do
be
it,
terrible.
come and see me every now and then. I do mischievous stuff like spin people around fast just for the fun of it.
I grew up doing it with the sickness. I used to get
Really?
terrible when I was young, yeah, really bad.
So have a look at that first. If you want to spin round there, look at that. There. Nice.
Just there,
So look, looks like I've done that before. Right, so I can do that. Harrison's young and he's got absolutely no frown lines.
Never.
And so the benefit of that is obviously I can go quite low, and with our graduated hairline it looks really natural. But again, right, okay.
I want it to look natural, you know?
Yeah.
Even though everyone's going to know anyway because my hair's so thin.
Not, you'd be surprised. You'd be honestly, I know this is hard to believe at this point, but there's a lot of people come in with less hair than you, much less, and go and say, I can't believe it. I've grown a beard, I've shaved my beard off, and they said, something's different. And I said, yeah, I've got rid of my beard. And then they've gone, oh, that's what it is.
Oh my god, that's crazy.
It's kind of, no, I kid you not, that's a God's honest truth. Amazing. So, you know, I do say it to people, I say, people, even though we think it is when we're losing our hair,
Yeah.
people don't go to bed thinking about our hair loss, mate, yeah?
I know, we do.
Yeah, and we think other people do, but they don't, you know? So, you can, how long does it take that hair growth to grow on your beard?
Oh my god, I have to have it cut. Well, every 3 or 4 days.
Right then, so it suits you, so if it can come back that quick, so why not have the hair system done and then shave your beard off and then grow it back, so people say, what's different about you? And then you
I
can...
could never go with my beard, no?
You might if you had hair though.
Oh yeah, I maybe.
That's my point. Yeah?
I don't know.
Suits you.
It's a part of me now. I've had it for so long now.
Yeah, you can also, I actually put in, I need glasses now, yeah? But when I went ahead many years ago, I actually started wearing glasses even though I didn't need to.
Yeah.
So I walked into my office, or I was teaching golf at a golf range, and I had glasses on and said, you look different. I said, yeah, I'm wearing glasses.
Oh.
And they went, that's what it is. So I took it away from them, yeah?
Go crazy.
Right, I'm going to go on for a bit, so I'm going to stop this and come back.
Cool.
Right, we're back again. You can say hello to the beast.
Hey,
He's
beast.
feeling lonely. You're not a beast, you're a handsome dude. Right, okay, so one of the questions was asked, Harrison said, I'm really worried about coming here and getting his hair shaved off.
Yeah, that's what's concerning me, is the shaving of the head. That's the only thing that's giving me anxiety.
Well, I promise you, we don't shave you like a sheep. Well, I'll do a little bit of role play. Hey, Harrison, thanks for growing your hair. Woof, hey, and then walk in and go, oh, this isn't right. Oh, never mind. No, none of that. What we do is we do the hair system. We do a little attachment on, do a pre-cut. Harrison will come in with his mum, I expect, yeah. Sister, and then friend, Letitia, and they will say it looks fab, and then that'll give you the confidence.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
Cool,
That makes sense?
Yeah, it does.
Well done. Hey guys, thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe below, and have a good look round our website at hairforall.com.